This eyelash is going to kill me.
If somebody said, then tell me who.
We get straight to it. I know for a fact that my husband is tired of me looking like this. I'm tired of looking like this. I've been wearing this little ponytail and headband for like a week straight, and I'm over it. My people at Amika, not sponsored, not anything, they sent me this in PR. Cause your girl get a little bit of PR sometimes, okay? And y'all know I love Amika down. I feel like I loved Amika before everybody was talking about Amika. Oh my God, all the snow plow trucks are out there making a lot of noise. Inside of it is their newest launch, along with one of my top 3 favorite products of all time. This deep conditioner, y'all know I have loved this for forever. I have went through like a bajillion of these, and I'm not gonna stop, okay? But they also launched this Soul Struck Nourishing Dry Hair Mask, and it's been kind of sitting on like by my desk, this box for a second, because I've kind of been like, is this gonna, like, what is this? You know, I'm curious, but I'm hesitant, but I'm curious. So we just gonna go for it. We're gonna go for it today. I put my hair in 2 little space buns right here. Y'all, my little space buns are very tiny, but I like them, they're cute. I'm not adding any additional hair because it's almost wash day. I've had my hair straight for almost 2 weeks. Till then, we gonna go ahead and try this. Because if I hate it, at least I know wash day is coming up and I'll just be washing it out very soon. What does it say about it? So you shake, spray mid leads to end, brush all the way through, and your hair is supposed to be soft. So it's supposed to soften, moisturize, and strengthen dry, brittle hair, plus no water or weight needed. So I'm guessing it is like the soul food mask, but you get instant results. I don't know. So I'm gonna stop talking. Let's just go ahead and get to it. All right, y'all. So when I put this mask on, obviously it's a mess-free leave-in mask. I was very heavy-handed with it, okay? I had to cut some clips short because I sprayed a lot on my head. Now, my hair was not super dry before doing this, and I also paired it with my favorite oil right now. Oh my God, y'all. This is freaking the best. It is the Pureology Hydrate Glow Catcher Oil. It doesn't leave my hair super oily, but it leaves it super soft and with a shine. I've been using it for about a month now. But back to this leave-in mask real quick. I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts at the end of this video coming up real quick, but I do want to say this is obviously I'm recording this voiceover like 3 days later from when I did this style, and my hair is still pretty soft and like moisturized and hydrated. It still feels really good, okay? And I haven't been sleeping with no bonnets. I've just been laying everywhere. It should be dried out by now, but it's not, and that is a major plus because I've went a couple days without adding any additional product to my hair. No moisturizer, no oil, no nothing. So take that, do as you will with it. Y'all, I'm using my pink lemon gel on my edges right here. I'm also gonna top it with my Blue Lagoon jam just a little bit. I will put everything I'm using down in the description box like I always do, you guys. Make sure you check that out. Also, just in case you aren't aware, I am running a giveaway. Make sure you check the video before this one. I believe I am picking 2 winners, buying them something with my own money, shipping it out to them. And yeah, make sure you just check the video before this one to enter. Is very easy to enter, y'all. I don't make you go through a whole bunch of hoops and just putting it out there. So anyways, y'all, I'm just gonna finish up my hair, do a little bit of makeup after this, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. All right, y'all, so we are finished. Here is the final look. Also, disclaimer, it is a snow day. Isaiah doesn't have school tomorrow, so you will hear him playing Fortnite in the background, screaming his head off. I've tried to shut him up, it's not working. Let's get to a quick review of this. It's cool. My hair was not super dry before putting this on. Maybe I'd be able to tell a difference if it was. However, it did not make my hair feel worse. So that's a positive, because sometimes when you try new products, you're kind of like, why did I even do that in the first place? I should have just left this alone, you know what I mean? So this was cool. Is it life-changing? I don't know about that. But I do see myself making sure I pack this on a vacation. This is just gonna be pointless for me on vacation. I'm not deep conditioning my hair. I'm not sitting for 30, 45 minutes, none of that kind of stuff. But having this, I think I'm going to make sure I have, because you can use this on your natural hair. You can use it on your extensions, so braids and tape-ins and all that kind of stuff. And it's dry, so you don't have downtime with it. I definitely see myself taking this with me to Florida this week. I ain't going nowhere with this week. It's freaking snowing. It's 20 degrees. This summer, whenever we go on our family vacation, 9 times out of 10, I'm not bringing a lot of stuff on vacation with me. I'm for sure bringing some edge control. I'm gonna bring a small amount of oil and a small little thing of leave-in, and then that's it. But I think this would be nice to have. The other thing too, because you can use this for your wigs, extensions, all that kind of stuff, I think this would be absolutely perfect for you. Again, is it a absolute must-have right now for me? No. Am I glad I tried it? Absolutely. It does not replace this. It won't replace this for me. This is a holy grail product for me, but this as an option when you don't have time for this is great. And I don't know if there's anything like this on the market. Y'all correct me if I'm wrong, but y'all correct me if I'm wrong. I like when companies try to come out with new stuff, innovative things we haven't really thought about. I'm all for it. So yeah, that's it. That's all I got. My hair is cute. Honestly, y'all, I'm clearly not going anywhere today. I am this tempted to go outside in the snow with Isaiah, because as a Texas girl, okay, I've only been in Connecticut for 4.5 years now, going on 5. Oh my gosh. I still get excited over the snow. Me and Isaiah both get excited over the snow. And since we've been in Connecticut these almost 5 years, it hasn't really snowed like this like it has this year for us. So we've been outside at every chance we can get. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all like my hair. I hope y'all like the color. I hope y'all can see the color maybe a little bit more. Make sure you follow me on TikTok, Instagram. I feel like you can see a little bit better there. I don't know. I hope you guys have a great rest of the week, great day, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.
If somebody said, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name.